Hello everybody, welcome to How to Dress Pro. Today I'm gonna show you screen mirroring on Samsung Galaxy S21. So basically, if you want to mirror your screen to a TV, I'll show you how to do it. So first up, open up your settings and then go to connected devices and scroll down here to Smart View. And here you can select the device to mirror your phone screen or play content. So basically it will scan and find your TV right here, and when you see it, just click on it to connect, and basically you will screen mirror your phone. So that's it, that's the screen mirroring on Samsung Galaxy S21. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.